everyone, do you want an alternative for Midjourney? Then here, I have got an alternative for Midjourney, and no, this is not Leonardo AI or any other AI. It is better than Midjourney, and it is completely free. You can use it as much as you want. It has no upgrade or any plan. You can use it so many times. And now let's see what this website is called. So let's get started. First, open Google and search Playground AI. And next, you will need to sign up. You will get a screen like this. This screen is very useful for new users. You just have to write what you want here, for example. I can ask a fairy or something like that dragon so you can see how much beautiful it has taken out. You can also upscale this image up to 4x. Thank you so much for watching. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe to my channel.